Hey, it's Tony with GilComPlex On The Road, and I'm going to show you this video that we posted a while ago while we were on our trip to Indiana and back, but I'm just clipping out the part about RV airflow systems because we got a special going on for right now. So if you watch the video, stay tuned to the end, because if you're interested in an RV airflow, we can get you a little bit of a discount. Stay tuned.
That we left Alliance and we went straight over to RV airflow systems.
That's it. Hey Larry, where are we?
We are at RV airflow systems this morning.
Oh yeah? And
Yes.
we had to figure out how to plug in the rig today, didn't we? So
And believe it or not, I had all the attachments.
here's the cord, and it goes to our surge protector. That goes to a 50 to a 30, and a 30 to a 110. That looks safe.
And there, Art Miller and his team installed an airflow system into the bedroom air conditioner.
And it's funny is because we saw them at the vendor mall at the rally, but we never got a chance to talk to them because we had so much stuff going
It was
on.
crazy busy.
And then we were reminded of it because Venturesome Couple put a video out of them doing that for their new Delta. So that reminded us. So we got in touch with Art, and we arranged it. So we came right over to their
We went
shop.
to his shop today, and he put it all in and made a huge difference in the airflow for the bedroom.
So what was it again?
It started out at like 84.4 or something like that. It was pretty low, and by the time everything was said and done and he did all his work, we had 105% airflow.
Right. When that was that considered 105 increase %, right? So it's like, and Venturesome had like 102 or something like that. So we basically like have two ACs, the power of two ACs in our bedroom, which is really great because we've always struggled to cool that area down more so than this one that's in the living room, right? So we're looking forward to seeing how that is tonight when we sleep.
Yep.
So that was great too, and you'll see some pictures of that. They actually he added another
vent. Yes.
So when he went to drill a hole in the ceiling,
we closed our eyes.
Yeah, a bit of panic of drilling a hole into the ceiling of the rig.
But he did a great job.
He did. And take a look at them. They're great, and they're growing, leaps and bounds, and looking forward to what's going to happen with them as they continue to expand in their business.
Yep.
All right. So there it is.
Hey, you're back. Okay, so if you watch the video now, if you use this link, I think I'll put it here or something like that, you can get yourself 15% off on RV airflow system by using this link that we're sharing with you right now. So please go ahead and do it. See you later. We'll be back with more videos soon. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our videos as well. Thanks.